Hello everyone and welcome to COSY Life Consulting YouTube channel. My name is Daria and today we're here to explore the most unique project in Istanbul, the address residence located on the Asian side. The biggest project of Emaar Properties in Turkey is Emaar Square, which made a new neighborhood in the Anatolian side of Istanbul, within 5 minutes to 15 Temmuz Şehitler Bridge, Eurasia Tunnel, Ataşehir Financial District, and 25 minutes to Sabiha Gökçen International Airport. Emaar Square is a mixed commercial residential project that includes a luxury address hotel, offices, residences, and the Turkey's biggest shopping center under the same roof. At Address Residence Istanbul, the full range of 5-star services is just a phone call away. Residence owners and hotel guests alike enjoy access to 2 private floors in Address Istanbul that offer a private pool and exceptional luxury spa experience. Swimming pool, gym and fitness, spa and wellness center, sky restaurants and lounges, panoramic Istanbul view, reception and concierge services. Emaar shapes a new lifestyle with a focus on design excellence and built-in quality. Emaar Properties is one of the world's most valuable and admired real estate names, with proven competences in properties, shopping malls, hospitality and leisure. Each of these elegant residences offer its owners a luxury lifestyle and the exclusive convenience of access to the Address Hotel's 5-star service. All the apartments are ready to move in. The Address Residences Istanbul property owners have an exciting investment opportunity. By enrolling your furnished apartment in the Address Hotel system, you will be benefited by a shared revenue stream, which will make your apartment even a more valuable investment. And today we're finishing our video with this magnificent view. Thank you for watching. To know more about investments and real estate markets in Turkey, visit COSY Life Consulting website or reach us directly by the contacts in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe to COSY Life Consulting YouTube channel, like this video and click the bell to get up-to-date information on immigration and life in Turkey first. See you!